Let's compare instant and ground coffee. We are tailors of Harrogate. We buy top quality coffee, mostly for roast and ground. We don't make instant coffee, but it's something we're going to talk about today because people often ask us what's the difference.
So instant coffee and roast and ground coffee start from the same place, the cherry or the fruit of the tree. Both derive from the same process. So they're both roasted in a roaster, they're both ground. Difference is that instant coffee is brewed at a high concentration, it's freeze dried, it's smashed into tiny little pieces and it goes into a jar. You then brew that at home and add hot water. Whereas roast and ground coffee, it stays like that, straight out of the roaster, ground. You're keeping all the inherent quality of the coffee itself, and then you're doing the brewing yourself at home. So you're adding the hot water, then extracting the solubles in there to create the cup.
You're just getting a much fresher quality brew, so you can expect lighter, more delicate flavours in the cup.
Whereas instant coffee, gone through a whole load of processing, it's taken some of the inherent quality away. It's much thinner, it's much more one-dimensional, and it's not as complex as a real roast and ground.
The difference between instant and ground coffee when you're making a cup is you put a teaspoon of instant coffee in your cup and you rehydrate it. It's an already made cup of coffee and then rehydrate it again. Whereas with roast and ground coffee, you're putting the ground coffee into such as a cafetiere, you pour your hot water over and that extracts the flavours there and then you plunge it down and the grounds stay in the bottom and you pour out the delicious coffee. I choose roast and ground over instant because I enjoy the ritual of making it, the complexities of the flavour. With roast and ground coffee, you're brewing it yourself, so you're closer to the original product. You're putting the coffee into the water, it doesn't dissolve, and you brew and extract it, making a more complex and delicious coffee.